This is the story of Echinaforce from A.Vogel, the world's best researched echinacea. In just a few minutes, you will understand why Echinaforce is the echinacea of choice among those committed to conscientious cultivation, for those concerned about the quality of manufacturing processes, and for members of the scientific community who set rigorous standards for the quantity and quality of research conducted on dietary supplements. Most importantly, you will understand the key difference between Echinaforce and every other echinacea product on the market. It all began in 1951, when A.Vogel traveled to visit the Native American populations of the Upper Plains states. There, he met with the renowned Lakota medicine man, Black Elk, who shared with Vogel his use of the echinacea plant, and who gave Vogel seeds with which to return to Switzerland. Today, our heirloom seeds are descended from this special group of seeds Vogel received as a gift from Black Elk. Each year, 10% of the echinacea harvest is set aside for the continuation of this heirloom strain, ensuring the uniformity of Echinaforce batch after batch, year after year. Echinaforce is also different because the growing plants are constantly monitored by A.Vogel's own experienced organic gardeners. From seedling to field to harvest time, 100% of the growing operation is under the direct control of A.Vogel. The echinacea is harvested precisely at its peak of potency and then rushed to A.Vogel's factory in the field, so the extraction process begins immediately to ensure the unique fresh power of Echinaforce liquid and tablets. The extraction process is also unique. The fresh echinacea plants are chopped and mixed in alcohol and water to extract both the water-soluble and fat-soluble parts of the plants. We also use both the root and aerial parts of the plant to ensure the presence of all important plant constituents, not just those from one part of the plant. And this wide spectrum of active ingredients is the reason Echinaforce has such strong immune-enhancing effects, as documented in over 10 published clinical trials. Echinaforce offers another unique difference. It meets the strict standards of Swiss GMPs, Swiss Pharmaceutical Good Manufacturing Practices. This requires superior quality control. Over 100 quality control tests are performed on each batch of liquid extract. 100 more tests are done during the production of Echinaforce tablets. What's more, only brown glass is used to protect the potency and integrity of this fresh plant extract. And the quality control continues beyond the bottling. In fact, we were the first supplement company in the United States to implement a formal adverse event reporting process. And with over 3 billion doses served worldwide, there have been only 99 reported events, none serious, and most comprised of gastrointestinal complaints. The biggest difference of all is that A.Vogel controls the whole process, from planting, harvesting, processing, standardizing, bottling, packaging, and shipping. This seed-to-shelf control is your assurance you are getting the very best echinacea extract available, and the proof is in the published research. There are over 10 studies published in peer-reviewed scientific and medical journals proving the broad range of action of Echinaforce on immune function. These studies can be found in journals such as Advanced Therapy, Antiviral Research, Virology Journal, Clinical Pharmacology and Therapeutics, Clinical Therapeutics, and Phytomedicine Journal. In fact, our studies are so well regarded that even our competitors will cite our research when trying to provide support for their own products. Of course, only A.Vogel can actually claim these results, because the research was done on the product found in every bottle of Echinaforce. Echinaforce has rightly earned its place as the best researched echinacea in the world. And the story doesn't end here. Even with all of the science behind Echinaforce, we never lose sight of the responsibility we have to the planet that has given us our mission and our livelihood. A.Vogel was founded on Alfred Vogel's deep respect for nature and the environment, so all plant materials used in the extraction are dried, composted, and returned to the ground to nourish the next batch of seeds planted. long before there were organic certifications available, long before green became a ubiquitous buzzword. A.Vogel was an organic farming operation and a green company. Alfred Vogel, the nature doctor, started A.Vogel Labs in 1935, and in 1963 built the current A.Vogel facility as an organic, sustainable operation which even today sets the standard for protecting and respecting our planet. When you purchase Echinaforce, you're supporting your own immune health and the health of our environment. Plus, you're getting the world's best researched Echinacea.